16 miles out is the bridge at Afdui, where armed technicals have set up an extortion scheme. Trucks must pay to cross. Outbound, the Marine convoy passes unchallenged, but on the return trip in the afternoon, the Marine radio room at headquarters hears reports that the convoy has been fired on at the bridge and has returned fire.
Can you give me an estimate of how much fire you took? Over.
Corporal Justin Judge was on one of those runs Christmas Day when he saw a technical raise his weapon.
I seen the people dropping that I was aiming at, and after my 8-gunner, Corporal Clark, shot the driver, shot him in the back of the head, and the truck swerved off the side of the road, I know I did the right thing.
The problem of guns in Mogadishu will not easily go away. This morning, a public declaration of truce between the two most powerful rival warlords in Mogadishu. They brought their followers to what has been the city's no man's land, where few dared to enter without guns. Here, the legacy of civil war is thuggery.
I'm used to violence because I'm from South Africa, working in the townships there. There you can read a situation. You know if it's too dangerous to go in, but here it's mindless. Violence here is mindless. People, you don't know what...
A TV journalist from South Africa was robbed by a gunman this morning. The gunman fired at Marines. They chased him through the streets, exchanging shots, and killed him. The contrasts here are dramatic. While the warlords are telling their people and the world they want a truce and peace, many of their followers continue to brandish weapons and very often use them. In Mogadishu, John